Hi, this is Chavi Joshi and today I'll be talking about menstrual cups. At large, I'll be telling you about my journey, how I got acquainted with menstrual cups, how you can get acquainted with menstrual cups, what size you should get, what brands you can check out, and a lot more. So let's go. The amount of waste that is produced by a lot of sanitary napkins and a lot of menstrual products is insane. Which is why menstrual cups are a really good alternative. They're eco-friendly, they're safe to use, and they can hold a lot of blood, bro. I started using a menstrual cup in 2019 and was it weird when I put it in? Yes. But after 15-20 minutes of insertion, I was perfect. But wait, I think we should all go back to the start. Pads. My journey began with pads. Whisper became the OG because of how big the wings were. They would just like cover your coochie and your ass. It would just be perfect. Stay Free on the other hand never sat right with me. There was another brand that came with period hacks and period facts on the back of the pack. I think it was Kotex. But सही है तुम बैठो थोड़ा बूंदाबांदी करो, fact food पढ़ो, change करो अपना pad. But the question here arises when you are throwing your pad. How do you throw your pad? I am sure you witnessed used pads chilling just like wide open at public restrooms near a garbage dump maybe. Maybe it wasn't disposed right. Maybe it wasn't the user's fault. Maybe it is yours. Why I stopped using pads was because it gave me rashes. It would leak and it would make this hideous sound when I walked. And then I shifted to tampons. They were super easy. But tampons too, unfortunately, are not that eco-friendly. Which is why I'm here to talk to you about menstrual cups. Do you want to know some awesome brands that are selling menstrual cups? Let's go. The first one is Gaia Life. I think it's perfect and here's why. They have a starter kit. It comes with 2 menstrual cups in 2 different sizes. One is a size small, the other one is large. Along with it, you get a menstrual cup wash, you get a menstrual cup lubricant. Crazy, right? A lot of people do not talk about the lubricant. It comes in an organic cotton bag and it has stickers and an instruction manual. It is priced at 1,299 rupees, which honestly I was okay to spend because it was so new to me and they were literally giving me everything. It was perfect for me because I didn't know what size I was. Like, I was sexually active. Does that make me like a medium? A large? Or am I a small? On their website, they have mentioned that both the sizes are okay for most women. However, their large is a little too large for me. But the smaller one fits like a charm. If you're just starting out or if you're a petite woman or a teenager, you can shop for the Gaia Sensitive. The second brand is Goli Soda. Use code CHAVI for 10% off. I found Goli Soda on LBB. It is basically a sustainable brand that also does personal care. I've tried their shampoo bars, they bought my waves back, but more about it later. What's great is that Goli Soda has its own as well as other brands' menstrual hygiene products. So they not only have menstrual cups in different sizes, they also have reusable cloth pads and the general sanitary pads but eco-friendly. You can shop for anything on Goli Soda's website and just use the code CHAVI for a 10% off. I'm using the regular menstrual cup for a while and I really like it. It is made of medical grade platinum cured silicone rubber and it's only for INR 650, which is, it works for me. It's gonna last me years. So go make that purchase. Go make that purchase, little birdie. The third brand and possibly the most approachable and also affordable is PSafe. So PSafe offers 3 different sizes. There's extra small that is of 16 ml. There is small which is 20 ml and there's large that is 30 ml. On the website it also states that they have the most economical menstrual product so far. I think there's a catch. They've only mentioned that they've used 100% medical grade silicone. But it matters how your menstrual products are cured because that's what tells us about the product's durability, etc. Menstrual cups on an average last you for around like 10 years. But the PSafe one, they last you for 5 years. That's not too bad. The range starts at only $299, which is pretty impressive, affordable and also accessible. The fourth and the last brand that I'm going to be talking about is The Women's Company. I honestly love the brand, love their packaging, love everything. All of their products are designed by women for women. The Women's Company has 2 different sizes in menstrual cup, a size small and a size large. What's really good is that when you head to their website, you can actually figure out what your cup size is. So they've mentioned that their size small is best for teenagers or girls with a slim or a smaller frame, and it has a holding capacity of up to 18 milliliters. The largest size is best for you if you have a regular frame, if you're not too big or not too slim. It also works for you if you've given birth vaginally or if you're over the age of 30 since your cervix becomes a little loose. What I'm also very fond of is that they have a very well curated blog that you can read, and their menstrual cups are priced at around 500 rupees, which again is super affordable. So those are really good brands that you can get around काफी easily and you can shop for it. They are accessible and safe. It usually comes in a box like this. Inside the box you'll find a cotton bag. जिसके अंदर will be your menstrual cup and a small instruction booklet just so that you don't fuck up completely. The booklet attached in the women's company's box tells me how I should really go about using a menstrual cup. It's really important to disinfect your menstrual cup after every cycle. Oh, look at that, so cute. Just for your reference, this is Gaia Life's large and this is Women Company's small. As you can see that there is a significant difference. So this is size regular of Nari Yari menstrual cup that I bought on Goli Soda, and this is Gaia Life Fizz large. It makes a difference. I really liked how user-friendly P-Safe was though. So they've mentioned extra small, small and large. The extra small is for under 18 years and first timers. The small is for above 18 years or people who haven't given birth or given birth via C-section. Large is meant for people who are above 18 years or if they have given birth vaginally. Again, it comes in a pouch so that you can carry it easily. It's just so cute. It's very soft and it's the size small. What I liked about P-Safe was how extensive the whole thing is. They've literally covered it all. What is a menstrual cup, which size should I use, getting started, when to wash it, how to sterilize it, and they've also labeled it for you. I think that's great on P-Safe's part to really familiarize people with the product that they're using, because it for sure is super intimate, and if you can get to know your product, what better than that? The menstrual cup that I use is from this brand called Nari Yari. I got this from Goli Soda. Shows how you can insert your menstrual cup. This also is pretty extensive and I'm gonna use this to answer a bunch of your questions which you asked because I think this is just perfect. There are a few methods of inserting your menstrual cup. There's this one called the C fold. You basically just have to make like a C and you insert it and then you pop it open. There's also the punch down method and that is all that you have to do. You just literally have to punch it down, pinch it and wear it. There's one more that I saw online and that personally works for me. So what you have to do is you basically have to create like a 7 and you have to insert it and then open it, and this one works perfectly for me.
But how do I really nikalo it?
A lot of you worry that it's gonna be messy and it'll spill and pata nahi kya ho jayega. You really don't have to worry. The first thing that you need to do is relax yourself. Wash your hands, squat or just take your position and basically go for the end of the menstrual cup. Once you do that, you pinch it a little, squiggle it out, and it's done. You can empty it in a toilet, wash it thoroughly and put it back in. Don't forget to sterilize your cup before your cycle starts and after your cycle ends. That was all everybody. I've actually tried answering almost like all the questions in a different video because this video is kind of long. So you can check that out and get like a quicker FAQ sesh. Or if you watched that first and came here later just to get like more detail, then that's cool too. If you think that this is helpful and if you think that sharing this will help some of your friends, do that. I will also like to receive some validation. Haha. Okay, bye. Peace.